Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create Elementor forms. We'll start by adding the form widget to your page. Then, we'll explore the basic settings to get your form up and running quickly. Elementor forms are incredibly versatile, allowing you to gather essential user data with ease. You'll learn how to leverage its intuitive interface to build effective and engaging forms for any purpose, enhancing your website's interactivity and data collection capabilities. Next, let's dive into adding and customizing your form fields. Elementor offers over 10 different field types, from simple text inputs to more complex options like file uploads and reCAPTCHA. You can easily drag and drop these into your form. Each field has unique settings, allowing you to define labels, placeholders, and whether a field is required. This ensures you collect precisely the information you need from your visitors. Now, let's make your form visually appealing and consistent with your brand. Elementor provides extensive styling options. You can adjust column widths to create multi-column layouts, perhaps 2 or 3 columns wide. Customize typography for labels and input fields, choose your brand colors, and design your submit button. Utilize advanced settings for padding, margins, and borders to achieve a polished, professional look that perfectly matches your website's aesthetic. Finally, let's talk about what happens after a user submits your form. Elementor allows you to set up various submission actions. You can send email notifications to yourself or your team, ensuring you never miss a lead. Integrate with popular marketing services like MailChimp or HubSpot to automate your workflows. You can also redirect users to a custom thank you page or display a success message, providing a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.